Welcome to our discussion on a delicious and fun way to create balanced meals. Today, we will explore the concept of Jell-O Parfait mix layered with yogurt. This combination not only tastes great, but also offers nutritional benefits. Jell-O Parfaits are a fantastic dessert option. They are colorful, appealing, and easy to prepare. The idea of layering Jell-O with yogurt brings a new twist to traditional parfaits. It transforms a simple treat into a balanced meal. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need Jell-O mix, yogurt, and some fresh fruits. Choose your favorite flavors of Jell-O. You can go with classic cherry, lime, or even a tropical blend. The yogurt can be plain or flavored. Greek yogurt is a great choice because it is thicker and packed with protein. Next, we will prepare the Jell-O. Follow the instructions on the package to make the Jell-O. Boil water, dissolve the Jell-O mix, and then add cold water. Once it is mixed well, place it in the refrigerator to set. This usually takes about 4 hours. While the Jell-O is setting, you can prepare the yogurt. If you want to enhance the flavor, consider adding a bit of honey or vanilla extract to the yogurt. This will make the yogurt sweeter and more enjoyable. Once the Jell-O is fully set, it is time to assemble your parfait. Start by taking a clear glass or bowl. This will allow you to see the beautiful layers you are creating. Begin with a layer of Jell-O at the bottom. Next, add a layer of yogurt on top of the Jell-O. Spread it evenly so it covers the Jell-O completely. The contrast of colors between the Jell-O and yogurt is visually appealing. After the yogurt layer, you can add a layer of fresh fruits. Strawberries, blueberries, and bananas work well in this recipe. They not only add flavor, but also provide important vitamins and minerals. Repeat the layers until you reach the top of your glass. You can finish with a layer of yogurt and a few pieces of fruit on top for decoration. This will make your parfait look even more inviting. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this parfait. First, it is a great source of protein from the yogurt. This helps to keep you full and satisfied. The fruits add fiber, which is essential for digestion. The Jell-O mix provides a fun flavor and can add some sweetness without too many calories. This makes it a great option for those looking to enjoy a treat while maintaining a balanced diet. These parfaits can be enjoyed at any time of the day. They make a perfect breakfast option, a midday snack, or even a light dessert. The versatility of this recipe means you can customize it to your liking. You can experiment with different flavors of Jell-O and yogurt. You can also change up the fruits based on what is in season or what you have at home. This keeps the recipe exciting and fresh every time you make it. In addition, preparing Jell-O parfaits is a fun activity to do with family or friends. Kids will love helping to layer the ingredients. It can be a great way to encourage them to eat healthier. To summarize, Jell-O parfaits layered with yogurt offer a delicious and balanced meal option. They are easy to prepare, visually appealing, and packed with nutrients. So next time you are looking for a tasty treat, consider making Jell-O parfaits. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe to get all future updates from us.